Hi guys, today I want to talk about these investment apps that you can use to make money, to save money, and multiply your money. These are the best apps that I can ever give it to you. I review apps from time to time, just give you the best apps that you can use. So these ones are the ones that I use for shares, for cryptocurrencies, for trading as well in the forex market, and also commodities. These are the best apps that I personally use, and I want you guys to know them. If you want to try them out, please do. So here are the apps. Number one, it's Easy Equities. Let me explain it. On Easy Equities, there are many asset classes as well as avenues or stock exchanges. So meaning you invest in South African markets, you also are able to invest in foreign markets like the US market, the UK market, British, that is, and then other markets in the Australian market and so forth. So that's what I love about Easy Equities. It allows you to not only invest locally, but you also invest offshore, which is the best thing and the first thing. The second thing, you invest in so many asset classes, in individual stocks, in ETFs. You also invest in unit trust, in bonds, in real estate investment trusts. So there's so many things that you can invest in, including the commodities. How? By buying companies that trade those commodities or that offer those commodities. And lastly, they have a cryptocurrency platform. That's what I like about Easy Equities. It is providing a variety of options. You can invest pretty much on everything. Now, this is what I like the most also, is that you can invest for your retirement. You can also invest in the BBE shares. Those are shares that are made for black people. So the classification of black people in this manner, it's everyone who's African, Asian, Indian, colors. All of those people can invest in those shares. Why? Because they were previously excluded in shares before. So now they are trying to make sure that they keep up with time, and they also buy those exclusive shares just for them. So that's what Easy Equities offers. It offers a wide range of things, and I would like you to try Easy Equities out. If you don't know how it works, you let me know, or you can book our session. Number two, we had a platform called Fedgroup. Now, on Fedgroup, what I love about it, before I even explain what is it about, I like the fact that you can get money on a monthly basis. I know some of you would come to me and say, Msizi, how can I make money, in a short period of time? You can make money on Fedgroup on a monthly basis based on the interest. It's not a lot if you are not investing a lot of money. Let me say it like this: if you want to make money on Fedgroup on a monthly basis, you may need to invest a lot of money upfront. For instance, you need to invest 50,000, 100,000, or even more. In that way, you'll get good money. It will be a lot of money. However, it's not a pressure of having to put a lot of money. You can even put 50 rand, 100 rand, whatever amount it may be that you have. In fact, their commodities start at 100 rand to 7,500 rand. That is a solar panel. So you can imagine that you can start even with lesser money, or if you have a lot of money, then you can start with bigger things. Of course, the bigger the price, the better the returns. The smaller the price, the smaller the returns, on a monthly basis or on a quarterly basis. That's basically how it works. All right, so let me get down to it in terms of what do they offer. Fedgroup actually offers agricultural products. What they do is they partner with farmers, they partner with agricultural people or people in the agriculture space, and then they partner, and then we as investors, we invest in those farmers. They are the middlemen that connects the farmers and the investors, and then when they harvest those whatever that they have planted and whatever, we then share the profit. When the farmers are now selling those products, we as the investors, we get a portion of that profit. The company itself, the farmers, they get a certain profit. Of course, Fedgroup, they get a certain profit as well as people who are facilitating the process. So everyone wins. And I like this particular platform because number one, you invest in commodity, which is agriculture, and agriculture is an undying business. We'll always need food, we'll always need all those commodities. So it's a good platform. I particularly use it and I get money from it on a monthly basis. The third one that I want to talk about is Franch App. Frank as in Franc. Frank App is a good platform and I'll tell you for what for. I would like to use it for emergency funds. If you want to put money for your emergencies, that's the best platform to have. Why? Because you can invest maybe for a car puncture or maybe for unforeseen circumstances. For instance, if someone gets sick or whatever happens, that's the best platform that you can actually use. I love it because you can put a lot of money, but you can withdraw it within a very short period of time. Let's say maybe 24 hours or 48 hours, the money would be out and then you can fulfill whatever that you would like to fulfill. The money is split into two there in that platform. Money is split into money market, where the money grows in terms of a simple percentage, simple interest. And then the other aspect is the money is put in Cetrix top 40, which trades the biggest companies in South Africa, which is the top 40 companies in South Africa. So when you are investing in that ETF, you are basically putting your money in the basket of 40 companies in South Africa. And the history of the top 40 companies is that it grows every year. It always, has a profit that you would make on that platform. So what am I saying to you? It's a safest platform to invest your money, and it will always come back. It will always be safe. Yes, you know how shares work. They go up and down, they fluctuate a lot. Sometimes your shares will be on a negative, sometimes they'll be on a positive. However, the platform itself is safe. The asset classes that are there are safe and are good. So I trust it. Please look at Frank App. It's a good platform, especially for emergencies. However, you can also invest for long-term goals. That's what I like about it. It offers both. And in fact, investing is up to you how you want to split your money. Do you want to invest for long-term or for short-term? But for me, I look at it as a good platform that you can invest both for emergencies as well as for long-term. The fact that it's a safe platform that splits your money like that, it's a good platform. And also it categorizes in terms of what kind of an investor are you. If you are a conservative investor, it caters for you. If you are an aggressive investor, meaning you can take risks and all of that, it does also serve that purpose. And it does also allow you to check or to evaluate what kind of an investor are you by asking you a couple of questions. Those questions, if you answer them, it then suggests the right method for you to invest. So it's a beautiful platform. I really like this platform, by the way. And another platform that I want to talk about is Yellow Card. So Yellow Card, I'm sure some of you, if you do watch my videos on social media, you would know that I talked about it before. It is about cryptocurrency. It's one of the fastest growing company in Africa that offers a cryptocurrency. It's a good platform. It's a good exchange in terms of buying cryptocurrency. They offer a wide range of cryptocurrency, and it's a good platform. It's a simple made platform. What I like about it, it's how the interface is. It's simple, and then you just go and buy the cryptocurrencies that you want. I know that I'm going to share another platform about cryptocurrency. This is one thing I want to say about cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is not a quick rich scheme, and you will not make money overnight. It's something that you put money, invest, and keep it for long, like how we do it on shares, like how we do it on any other things, even in business. You invest and then you hope that you will make money in few years to come. Never look at cryptocurrency as a quick rich scheme. It's not. You will never make money overnight on cryptocurrency. So let us be clear there, because I know the second platform that I'm going to talk about, it's what has made people to think that they can make money overnight. It's because they listen to scammers and all of that. Anyway, the other platform is Luno. Luno is another cryptocurrency platform, and it's one of the biggest platform in Africa, or in South Africa at least. A lot of people know about it. It is also a cryptocurrency platform. It offers a lot of cryptocurrencies, and they keep on adding more and more and more cryptocurrencies. That's what I like about it. It's simple as well. What I don't like about it is that people have saturated it and they've said the wrong thing about it. However, the platform is good. The company is big. It has branches in other countries. It has branches even in the UK and all the other places. So it is quite a good platform, but people have contaminated it. That's the only thing that has happened. So please look at Luno. The sixth app that I want to talk about is Stash app. Now listen to me very well. Stash app and Frank app, they more or less work the same way. However, Stash app encourages people to save, especially small amount of money, from 5 rand, 10 rand, 50 rand, 100 rand. So it allows even people who can't afford to invest a lot of money to start investing. Whereas with Frank app, it doesn't mean that you can't invest small amount of money, but the way Stash app is configured, you just set it up automatically, and then it will deduct money either on a monthly basis, on a weekly basis, or on a daily basis, up to you how you set it up. But that's what I like about it. You can start investing, it's like your kind of a thing, where you just put money on a monthly basis. It encourages you to do that. So that's what I love about it. If I were to explain how it works, you just set up 4 things. There are 4 things that are there. You stash when it's sunny, you stash when there's load shedding, you stash, there's a challenge where it starts from 10 cent. Today it's deduct 10 cent, and the next day 20 cent, and that day 30 cent, and so forth and so forth. By the time it finishes in a year, it would have stashed a lot of money. I think it's roughly around 5,000 to 8,000, but it's quite a lot of money that you would have stashed from just 10 cent. Think about it. So it's a good platform. It's a good a mechanism of investing, and it encourages you to invest, because a lot of people, they forget about it, or they have other things that they do, and then they forget about the most important things, of which is paying themselves. Because guys, you must think about this. When you are investing, you are actually investing for yourself. You are investing in yourself for your future, or your kids even. Now let's move on to the seventh one, which is Shyft. Shyft is a platform that you use. Personally, I use it for 2 things. Number one, for offshore markets, and I buy penny stocks. But number two, I use it as a forex platform of exchanging rates. And they have cards when you are traveling, abroad, and then you wanna use their currencies and all of that. You can just change it and put it in whatever currency, and then just swipe wherever you go. You can change it to dollars and all of that. So it's a good platform for that. But it offers a wide range of things. You can buy stock, you can change money, you can also swipe, you can do literally so many things in the platform. By the way, Shyft app is partnered, or is part of a Standard Bank. So it's a good platform for you to buy shares. It's a good platform for you to exchange rates as well. So it's good for that. The eighth platform that I want to talk about today is called 227. So it's 227. This platform is owned by Old Mutual. I normally call it a financial solution. It helps you to put all your expenses in one place. It helps you, if you have investments or banks or whatever, you link them in this platform, and then it tells you the net worth that you have. That's number one. Number two, it helps you, to know how much money you have spent on that day, on that week, on that month, and it tells you how much money you haven't spent. So it sort of maps up things for you in terms of your finances. How have you been doing? Are you at risk, or you doing very well, or you're on the negative, or whatever? It also offers a budget. There's a budget in the platform. You can actually put down your budget, and then it would guide you, or it would help you in terms of how to go about that budgeting. The highlight part for me with regards to this platform is the net worth. it helps you with the net worth. You will know exactly how much money you have, and it will encourage you, because you will see if your net worth is 1 rand, it will tell you that your net worth is 1 rand. If your net worth is 1 million rand, it will tell you. And that is a good feeling to know how much money you have, because you would have put all your assets in one place, your investment, your insurance, your whatever else that is out there, your unit trusts, they are there, your money in the bank is there. You'll see when it comes or go, it keeps on updating you and all of that. So I love that platform for that. The second last platform that I want to talk about, which is number 9, is ThinkMarket or ThinkTrader. The company name is ThinkMarket, but the platform itself is called ThinkTrader. So what I like about it is an investment platform as well as the trading platform. So it offers two things. You can invest in shares, or you can also trade in the platform. It's a good platform. I love it. It's an international platform, but there is a branch also in South Africa. I've worked with the guys personally. I've worked and I reviewed the platform. I use it even now. It's quite a good platform to use. You can use it to trade whatever that you want to trade. It's very good. Their interface is quite friendly, and they offer a lot of support. They have a lot of webinars, they have a lot of seminars that they offer. They help people to understand shares. They also help people to understand forex. So it's a good platform that you can use. And then the last one I want to talk about is for people who want to take pictures and make money from that. It's called ShutterStock Contributor. So there are two apps. The other one is the app just to download pictures, videos, and all of that. It's just Shutterstock. But this one that I'm talking about, it's Contributor. So it's Shutterstock Contributor. The other one is just Shutterstock. The Contributor one is for creators. It's for people who would take pictures and then upload them. And then if a user or whoever downloads your picture, you then get some money from that, or they can donate money or buy the picture, but you make money from that. And it's a beautiful thing, because we take pictures every day. We take pictures when we go out with friends, we take pictures when we go on vacation. How about selling those pictures? How about selling those videos and make money from that? So that's what I like about this last platform. I highly recommend these 10 apps. Please use any of them. You should be good to go. From me, all the best. Cheers, guys.